Yeah,
Mama San. You
very
should
sad.
just get more money than how much he paid
Yeah,
for
yeah.
you, right? Because the virginity in the bar before costs 100K,
Yes.
100 or
100 depends on how you.
offer
Oh,
your
yeah.
offer your uh virginity to the customer.
Yeah.
But it's sad to say that lot of girls, even they are virgin, they want to go back. They want to go to the bar because they knew that they're gonna get money, right?
Yeah.
Uh, for my for my for my, you should give your virginity to the one that you love,
Love. Yeah.
right? Cause or to get married, but we just here at Angeles City, we need to, especially when our family needed the money.
Yeah.
And
In our province, the virginity of the girl still is very important, and
yeah,
with my family taking care about
pwede
virginity
mo
also.
ilagay mo yung bag mo te para comfortable ka. So you feel comfortable. Y- ano po yun?
In
Your
our province in Leyte,
mhm,
the virginity is very
important.
protecting because we are a religious
Yeah.
religious kind of person there. We're Catholic, so